Here I'm going to be showing you all some extra collision options that you can do for your tile sets to help give your levels more depth. So if we go in tile map, I'm going to first show you how to do one-way tiles. As if we run this right now, here you can see I have two tiles. Left one is usual. I can just run up to it and be stuck. But the right one, I want to be able to pass through it. Right now I can't, while still being able to stand on top of it. And there is a way we can do that very simply, actually. So if we go into our tile map, which we already are, and go into Tileset, and then we can select the tile I want to be able to pass through while still stand on top of. Go into Physics, Physics Layer 0. Here we could see I have my collision set up to it, but there's also this tab underneath it called Polygon 0. And if we click that, here we could see one-way tab where we could just check this on, and we see these arrows appear. So now if I run it, I can pass right through this and stand right on top of it. So now what I also want to show you is how to have specific special collisions. Like say I want to have a ramp as well as half tiles that aren't as large as a full tile. Well, that's something also simple we can do. Heading back to our tile set and select, here I'll select my first ramp, and to set up, we're in physics layer and looking at this right now. Now what I'm going to do is click here and click grid snap. Now I already have the grid set up to the current size of the tile, since I'm using 26 by 26 pixel size, which is a little inconvenient if I wanted to say half in it to 13, where it no longer is pixel accurate. So I'm going to stick with 26. Of course, if you were using like 32, you could more easily break it up for better convenience. You can also hold right mouse button to kind of scroll over here, and use these to zoom in, so that way you can get more accurate with your clicks. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Add Polygon Tool. I'm going to start on the corner here, go to here, use my middle mouse button to kind of scroll over a bit so I can click this, and then connect them. And now, if I run the scene again, we got a ramp with the clear incline of me going up and down it. Of course, I move a little slower because I don't have a rounded collision. But still, it works. Now I'm going to just quickly, like I said, you could do it with all of these, click Add Polygon Tool, select the points you want connected, and then of course, for specific ones, you can combine the two one-way collision and specific collisions to help create more dynamicness to each scene. Have fun.